Jahzaire, say hi. Hi. So Jahzaire will be 1 year old tomorrow. So we are doing some birthday preparation for him, right? We're not gonna do anything big for his first birthday. We're just gonna do a home photo shoot and bake a cake for him and stuff like that. So yeah, he's still wearing his shirt that I made for him, halfway to one. So yes, so we're gonna bake cake, we're gonna do some decorating, so stay tuned if you want to see that. Yes, say ball, 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 good job. Okay, so this is a birthday shirt that I made for him. It says birthday boy 1. So yeah, and this is him wearing it. Okay, so this is a banner that I'm making for his high chair, right? And if you want to see this video, the full video of how I made it, you can go on my channel, Chris's World. Right, so here I'm just showing you what I'm using, the glitter cardstock, and this is how it turned out. Yeah, and this is just checking out the tripod. Yeah, so this is the one, and I'm gonna put it on his eye chair. So I also made this birthday banner for him, so this is also on my channel. You can go and check it out if you want to see how I made that. And also follow us on Instagram at Meet the Smiths Family, so you can see the pictures, you can like them, comment on it and stuff like that. And right here I am making the birthday cake for him. So this is a box cake, of course. So I pour out the mixture, add the eggs, that's the oil, and I'm using milk instead of the water. And then I'm just gonna blend this up, mix this up, and put it in the oven. I did not get to take a picture of it or a video when it was finished, right? Because this is the day of his birthday, doing a lot of things, fixing up, catering to Jahzaire and everything. So this is the finished product. This is how it looked. I put some icing on it, and this is his monthly banner. I had this in his room, so I just took it down, added some more pictures. So every month I take a picture of him, right? This one I took this morning. And this is him right here. We're trying to get him to sit and to smile so we can take a picture, but he just wasn't having it. Yum, yum, yum. So follow us on Instagram to see the pictures. These are a few. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and of course subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram. Bye bye.